Next, we'll get the product of the binomials 5x plus 7y and 6x minus 5y. If we have something like this, we can get the product by multiplying the first terms first. That would be 5x times 6x, and that would give us 30x squared. The outer terms, so the product of 5x and negative 5y is negative 25xy. The inner terms, 7y and 6x, will give us as product 42xy. And finally, the last terms, 7y and negative 5y, will give us negative 35y squared. Combining similar terms, we will have 30x squared. If you combine these two, we'll have 17xy. And writing the last term completes the result. So the product of 5x plus 7y and 6x minus 5y is 30x squared plus 17xy minus 35y squared.